Before operating the machine, thoroughly read safety and operation information in the operator's manual. Before loading wrap, the machine must be in harvest configuration with no module on the handler. The fan and harvest unit drive switches must be turned off to select daily service functions from the command center display. Press the daily service button followed by the wrap load button to enable the power module tether and wrap load controls at the rear of the RMB. The power module tether button assignments for the wrap load function will be displayed. Module wrap rolls are loaded using the module handler as a lifting device to place rolls into the wrap magazine. Before loading wrap, determine the number of rolls currently in the wrap magazine. Attempting to load more than 4 rolls into the wrap storage magazine will damage the wrap handling mechanism. The power module tether will operate the handler to lift rolls up to the magazine. The tether also operates the wrap magazine hoist to pick the rolls from the handler arms and move them up into the wrap magazine storage position. Move rolls into position near the rear of the machine with the marked end of the roll tube positioned at the left side of the handler. Double check to assure the wrap end comes off the lower front of the roll and the label is on the left side. Make sure the area around the rear of the machine is clear and all persons are aware of the potential movement of the handler during the wrap load process. Press tether button A to raise the hoist to the top of its travel. Lower the handler to the ground using the power module tether D button. Remove the wrap load arms from their storage positions on the handler and insert them into the square sockets so the slot faces to the rear. Make sure the arms are seated completely to prevent interference as the arms enter the wrap magazine when raised into position. Remove the wrap load handles from the storage position in the handler frame. Place the handles in the roll ends, lift the roll and place the end tubes into the wrap load arms until the retainers engage to secure the roll. Press the tether C button to raise the handler. Allow the handler to raise until it stops, observing the position of the roll as it enters the wrap magazine. The roll should be aligned with the wrap hoist tracks when the handler stops moving. Lower the wrap hoist with button B until the scissor arms and pickup rollers are lowered around the wrap roll. Wrap rolls already in the magazine will also lower until they rest on top of the new roll. Press the A button and raise the hoist, allowing the pickup rollers to move into position under the new wrap roll. Raise the hoist and observe the pickup rollers, being certain they are near the bottom of the roll and are lifting the roll from the handler arms. Raise the hoist to the top of its travel. The handler is lowered back to the ground to load more rolls. The system capacity is 4 rolls in the wrap magazine and 1 roll on the wrap feed rollers. The loading sequence is important. The suggested sequence is to place the first roll, if needed, on the wrap feed rollers. Then load additional rolls up to a maximum of 4 into the wrap magazine. When the 4th roll is loaded and the hoist is raised, a stop sign will lower from the top rear magazine cover, indicating the magazine is loaded to capacity. Do not attempt to load 5 rolls into the magazine. When wrap loading is complete, return the wrap load handles to storage and immediately remove the wrap load arms and return them to their storage position in the handler frame. Lower the hoist while observing the cylinder pin and decal near the top of the slot on the left side. Lower the hoist until the pin aligns with the decal. Make sure the hoist is not holding the top feed rolls off the lower roll. Press the tether C button and raise the handler until it stops. With the hoist positioned as demonstrated, the interlock will prevent the handler from raising fully with the power module tether. Re-enter the cab and place the machine in harvest mode. Press the top of the handler button on the multifunction lever to return the handler to the top of its travel. For more detailed information, refer to the operator's manual.